What's up guys, it's Kensy back with another video, and today's video is a room decor DIYs, spring/summer room decor DIYs, and this is also kind of redecorating my room because I added all of these DIYs into my room, which made it look a lot cooler and a lot more 2019, and so I hope you guys enjoy. But if you're new, hi, I'm Kensy, and I do DIYs and vlogs and other fun videos like that. So if you'd like to, make sure you go down below and hit that red subscribe button and join the family. And while you're down there, you can turn on post notifications so that you can get notified when I upload. And give this video a thumbs up if you're so ready for it to be summer. And not much else to say. I hope you guys enjoy this, and yeah, here we go. So first up, I have some shelves, and what you need for this is some tape, scissors, paper, like construction paper, patterned or solid colored, and a box. And you can start by cutting off all of the flaps on the box, such as the lid and everything, but leave the part that has the little hook where it would hang on the shelf. Now just kind of fold the construction paper around the box, taping it where it needs secured, and make sure you get everything that will be visible once you hang it up covered so that it will be appealing. This is just another example where I'm using a triangle box instead, and on the triangle you just kind of have to cut out the triangle and then tape the insides and outside, and this is how they both turned out. Next up, I'm going to be putting some ivy vines, and I have 4 rolls from the dollar store, so very cheap. And I'm going to be placing some sticky clips on my wall above my bed, and I'm kind of just going to be creating a sort of archway above my bed. So after I get the sticky clips stuck to the wall, I'm going to take the green part of the vine and put it in the clip, and along the top I actually doubled the vine. And yeah, just repeat those steps, and here's what it should look like. The next few aren't exactly a DIY, but they kind of help me decorate my room and give me more space. So first of all, I'm just taping these kind of hooks, don't know where I got them, onto the wall, and then placing some push pins in the wall, and this is just going to help me display my jewelry, and I really like it. Now we have a whiteboard, and this isn't quite a DIY, but I'm just hanging this whiteboard up with some push pins and then writing a phrase that I like to live by on it, and it just really makes me feel good throughout the week. Okay, so that's all I have for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And yeah, I'm so excited for summer and all the fun videos I have planned. So I'll see you guys later. Kensy out.